Hello again, this is Mrs. Margaritas. Now we're going to start our next project. We're going to do the beginning of our next project, which is writing the word hi. So you're in your Scratch account. First thing we're going to do is name it, write the word hi. Then we're going to go to File and say Save Now. Let's get into that habit. The next thing we're going to do is change our background. So I'd like you to go to Choose a Backdrop, click on that, and scroll down and get the XY axis once again. Okay. Now, I don't want the cat anymore. I want to pick a different sprite. So I'm going to click on this little cat sprite and click on the garbage can in the upper right, and it goes bye-bye. Okay. Now click on the sprites and you choose what you want. I'm going to choose this yellow ball, or red or blue. This has several costumes, but I'm going to choose this one because it's easier for me to manipulate it, and then I could see my grid. So I'm going to click on that, and now I have my sprite, the little yellow ball. At the beginning of each program, we always want an event. So I click on events, I pull the when green flag clicked. Okay, I'm going to increase the size of my screen so you can see better. So my program will start when the green flag is clicked. Click on the Add Extension button. Choose pen size. Choose pen. We want our pen to come back. Okay. At the beginning of the program, I want to erase everything every time I click the green flag, so I can start with a whole new screen. Next thing I want to do is change this little yellow ball. It's kind of big right now, so I want to make it smaller. So I'm going to go up to Looks, and I'm going to say, change size by -199. So it's getting smaller. Next thing I want to do is change my pen size. So I'm going to go back to those pen commands. And let's see. I'm going to put set pen to 10. Okay. Let's see if that worked. So I'm going to click on the green flag. Oh, look at that. It's tiny, tiny, tiny. So I want to make some comments. I'm going to, where it says change size, I'm going to right click. I'm going to say add a comment. I'm going to move it up a little higher, and I'll say make the sprite smaller. Okay. Then you can click on the corner here and make this box smaller. And then here I'm going to right click and add a comment, and I'm going to say set the line or drawing line to size 10. Okay. Click on that till it becomes a line with two arrowheads and pull it a little further, and that's my comment for that. I don't know why it's not attached. We'll figure that out later. We know this works. Click on File, Save Now, and then do this on your computer. You could split your screen like I showed you in the previous lesson, and you can then repeat this and duplicate this code onto your screen. See you soon.